Hello, everybody. This is a new section I'm starting right now. Okay. It's going to be the bridge between the foundation and the presentation I've been doing with the group. Okay. Because I want to do a bridge. I want to do something a bit simpler where you shadow me. Okay. How it's going to go is I'm going to read that here. Let me share my screen. Okay. I'm going to read this. And it is a presentation about my family. And I'm going to create some flashcard at the same time. Oops. Actually, let me create the proper deck. Create deck. And then it's going to be jour 1, day 1, ma famille. And why I'm doing ma famille, why is it ma famille? It's because if you have been following here in the classroom, this is the first day, La Famille, and it's a presentation by me. There's a transcript, okay, of everything I said. There's some flashcards that are downloadable here, and there is the audio. And I just want to make something that is like a bit easier and slower for beginner, so that at least you learn all the vocabulary of these subjects, so that when it's time for you to watch these presentation and go level 2, you already know these words. It's already easier than just hearing me speak full speed. So there's going to be a level 1.5 here, or this foundation is going to become the pre-workout, and then it's going to be level 1, which is going to be this team easier way, like we're doing right now. Okay. So let's get started. All of this is going to be on quebecfrench.ca. If you're not on quebecfrench.ca right now, maybe YouTube. So I read, you repeat after me. Okay, try to copy me as best as you can, and then I will tell you what it means, and then you can decide if you got it right or you didn't know it. And what I'm gonna do at the same time is I'm gonna create flashcard here. Okay, let's say ma famille. Okay, ma famille. So here's ma famille, my family. So with these flashcard basically is that after we do this whole thing, you can download the flashcard available at quebecfrench.ca and start practicing, and just like you're gonna re-see every single sentence of this text. I already told you what it means, so it should be pretty much easier because you already know, like you already seen it. So because what I want you to win. I want you to like just win all the time. Okay, you copy me, it's easy. I tell you what it means, it's easy. There's no losing really. So then only in the flashcard you can lose, but I think there's gonna be more win than lose. So it's gonna be fun and it's gonna work. So let's start. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui. Okay, I'll stop every comma, I think. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui, it means today. Je vais parler de ma famille. Je vais je vais parler de ma famille. Je vais parler de ma famille. I will speak of my family, or about, okay, the of. I will speak about my family. Dans ma famille, okay, dans ma famille, dans ma famille, which means in my family. Did you know it? Click. Il y a ma mère. Il y a ma mère. Il y a ma mère. And in Quebec, we say kind of like, il y a ma mère, mon père. Okay, I'll record the Quebec version also. Il y a ma mère. Il y a ma mère. And by the way, I said I'll record the Quebec version, but everything is like French, Quebec, French. Like I'm speaking, like sometimes we use il y a, sometimes we use ya, depending on the speed, depending on how much word you need to put in your rhymes. So, il y a ma mère. So, there is my mom. There is my mom. Quick- Oops, keyboard is not French. Il y a ma mère. Mon père. Mon père. Et mon père. My father. Mon père. Mon frère. Mon frère. My brother. Euh, mes grands-parents. Mes grands-parents. My grandparents. You probably know that. Et mon chat. Et mon chat. Et mon chat. Which is and my cat. Pretty simple. Up to here. Ma mère aime beaucoup l'art. Ma mère aime beaucoup l'art. My mom loves art a lot. So the beaucoup is a lot, but it's not the same order as in English. Ma mère aime beaucoup l'art. My moms love a lot art. Elle fait de la peinture. Elle fait de la peinture. She does some paintings. She does painting. Elle fait de la peinture et she does some painting. Quand j'étais jeune, quand j'étais jeune, quand j'étais jeune, when I was a kid, when I was a kid, il y avait beaucoup de tableaux dans la maison. Il y avait beaucoup de tableaux dans la maison. Okay, maybe this is a bit long. I'll split it in two. Okay. Il y avait, il y avait beaucoup de tableaux. Il y avait beaucoup de tableaux. Il y avait beaucoup de tableaux. Okay. Il y avait, there was, gonna be there was a lot of, paintings. Paintings. And dans la maison is gonna be in the house. I don't know, should I do it in one sentence? Maybe. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit more challenge. Let's go. Dans la maison. Dans la maison. Just split it like that. Dans la maison. In the house. J'aime regarder les couleurs. J'aime regarder les couleurs. J'aime regarder les couleurs. I love to look at the colors. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui again. Aujourd'hui. Okay, I don't need to do it again, but it means today. Aujourd'hui. We saw it at the beginning of the story right there. Aujourd'hui. Moi aussi. Moi aussi. Pretty important sentence. Moi aussi. It's like, me too. Me too. J'aime l'art et le graffiti. J'aime l'art et le graffiti. J'aime l'art et le graffiti. I love arts and graffiti. J'aime l'art. I love the arts and the graffiti, but I love arts. Mon père est très drôle. Mon père est très drôle. Mon père est très drôle. Okay, my father is really funny. Mon père est très drôle. Il aime les émissions de comédie. Il aime les émissions de comédie. Il aime les émissions de comédie. He loves TV shows of comedy or like just it's not I'm not thinking about the TV shows with many I'm just TV, comedy. I guess it's called TV shows in English, I'm not sure, but I think it is. Quand j'étais enfant quand j'étais enfant quand j'étais enfant, when I was a kid, nous regardions des spectacles ensemble. Nous regardions des spectacles ensemble. Nous regardions des spectacles ensemble. We were watching. Regarder is to like to look. We're looking, watching des spectacles ensemble. Some shows together, ensemble, together. Il aime aussi la musique. Il aime aussi la musique. Il aime aussi la musique. He and you see also loves the music. So in French, it's gonna be like reversed there. Il aime aussi la musique. À la maison, à la maison, at the house. Oops, I wanted to write this there. Good. À la maison, at the house. Just mute my phone here, even though somebody sent me some crazy graffiti right now for hip hop 53 years birthday. So, il y avait, ok. Il y avait toujours de la musique. Il y avait toujours de la musique. Il y avait toujours de la musique. There was always music. Il y avait toujours de la musique. Or maybe some de la music. Maybe we can say some music. There was always some music. Phew. So try to copy my voice, even if you're a woman. You're gonna sound just like me. Mon frère est plus jeune que moi. Mon frère est plus jeune que moi. Ok. Mon frère est plus jeune que moi. My brother is younger than me. Un jour, un jour, un jour, this one day, il est descendu. Oh, I want to say, il est tombé. Il est descendu. Oh, I thought this was with the verb avoir. Il est descendu, but I guess it is. We often say il a descendu. Okay. Il a descendu. Okay, we use say both way are correct. So when we are moving something down, or yeah, we are gonna say il a descendu. But when the person itself is going down, il est descendu. So you see this created some friction here. Un jour, il est descendu. Man, you know what? Naturally, I would say il a descendu. Maybe because there's a ripstick involved. Like, il est descendu. It sounds too strange for me with the "eh." I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do it like this. Because il a descendu, I will like I will use a contraction. Il a descendu une grosse côte en ripstick. Une grande côte. Even this, I'll change it. Okay. Il a descendu une grosse côte avec un ripstick. Il a descendu une grosse côte avec un ripstick. By the way, this is all a real story. Um, this is the transcript of the level 2 homework that I put into ChatGPT, and I said, make it easier and clean. And now that's what we're reading. So because the other transcript, I didn't want to use the transcript to do that because there's a lot of like me thinking, what's the word again? There's a lot of like bit random stuff, and it's speaking naturally. There's so much word like I wanted something more manageable. Okay, il a descendu, so he went down a big hill with a ripstick. He went down a big hill, coat, avec un ripstick, the kind of skateboard that do. No, Côte is like a hill. There's a lot of street called Côte des Neiges, Côte de like because there's a hill there. So he went down. Okay, il a descendu une grosse côte avec un ripstick. Il est tombé et il s'est cogné et I will change this for il a rentré dans une barrière. Like he vendu. OK. Il est tombé et il a rentré dans une barrière. Paf! Il est tombé et il a rentré dans une barrière. Paf! Boom. He fell and he rentré is like he hit and he hit. Rentrer is enter, but in the rentrer dans quelque chose. Okay, it's to hit something. Rentrer dans quelque chose. Like physically hit something. I don't know how to translate in English. Maybe I can ask what will be the English version. Crashed. Okay, I'll use crashed. Sounds good. He fell and he crashed into a barrier. OK. Il est tombé et il a rentré dans une barrière. Bang! Ce n'était pas grave. Ha ha ha. Ce n'était pas grave. It was not, and grave mean like terrible, bad. It was not too bad. Grave, like un accident grave, a grave accident. Is that something in English? Grave? I'm not sure. I mean, not that he went into the grave. Grave in English. Serious? Nope, not that. Not serious. You see, it's not a serious accident. Grave. It was not serious. Grave. Aujourd'hui, again, nous rions encore de cette histoire. Nous rions encore de cette histoire. Nous rions encore de cette histoire. We still laugh. And you see, those are reversed here. Pay attention. Nous rions encore. We still laugh about or of this story. J'ai deux grands-mères. Like, I guess everybody. J'ai deux grands-mères. J'ai deux grands-mères. J'ai deux grands-mères. I have two grandmother. Ma première grand-mère est très artistique. Ma première grand-mère est très artistique. Ma première grand-mère est très artistique. My first grandmother is really artistic. She's an artist. Chez elle, chez elle, chez elle. See here, there's a little link. Chez elle. Oops. 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 Chez elle. So it means at her place. Okay, the chez lui is at his place. Chez moi is at my place. The chez always going to be like for somebody's place. Il y a beaucoup de couleurs et beaucoup de peinture. Il y a beaucoup de couleurs et beaucoup de peinture. Il y a beaucoup de couleurs et beaucoup de peinture. There is a lot of colors and a lot of paintings. Clink. Where am I? Okay, we're more than halfway, more than halfway. J'aime aller chez elle. J'aime aller chez elle. J'aime aller chez elle. I love to go to her place. J'aime aller chez elle. I love to go to her place. J'aime aller chez elle. Ma deuxième grand-mère avait un magasin de vêtements. Ma deuxième grand-mère avait un magasin de vêtements. My second grandmother, Gilberte, avait un had sorry, had a clothing store. Magasin de vêtements. Clothing store. Elle travaillait beaucoup. Elle travaillait beaucoup. Elle travaillait beaucoup. She was working a lot. Or she worked a lot. Elle travaillait. Travaillait, like it's imparfait, which means it's like, yeah, it's like a big range of time. So I don't know, is that something in English? Like, what is the difference between she was working a lot and she worked a lot? I don't know. You tell me. Elle travaillait beaucoup. Je pense qu'elle aimait son travail. Je pense qu'elle aimait son travail. Je pense, I'm gonna copy and paste, I'm tired of writing. Je pense qu'elle aimait son travail. I think she loved her work. She did. Je pense qu'elle aimait son travail. Quand je regarde ma famille, oups. Quand je regarde ma famille, quand je regarde ma famille, when I look at my family, je vois que beaucoup de personnes aiment l'art. Je vois que beaucoup de personnes aiment l'art. OK, je vois que beaucoup de personnes aiment l'art. I see that a lot of people loves art, or a lot of them, a lot of person. Peut-être que c'est pour cette raison que j'aime aussi créer des choses. Peut-être que c'est pour cette raison que j'aime aussi créer des choses. Okay, that's a long sentence. Copy and paste this. Peut-être que c'est pour cette raison que j'aime aussi créer des choses. Maybe it's for this reason that I also love to create stuff. Des choses is like some stuff. So maybe it's for this reason I also love to create stuff. Peut-être que c'est pour cette raison que j'aime aussi créer des choses. Mon grand-père or mes grands-pères, yeah, I'll do me. Uh, I mean, I'll just do singular, but both my grandparents are like that. Mon grand-père est très québécois. Mon grand-père est très québécois. My grandfather is really québécois. You cannot speak without the accent, the strongest accent. Il parle seulement français. Il parle seulement français. Il parle seulement français. He only speaks French. You see, there's a French and English is pretty close, but there's a bit of like sometime it floop, flipped. Il parle seulement français. Okay, he speaks only French. J'aime parler avec lui parce qu'il raconte beaucoup d'histoires. This is so far from the truth. The story often is like so hard to listen to, and it make no sense, and we don't know where we're going with the story and why he's telling the story. Anyway, J'aime parler avec lui parce qu'il raconte beaucoup d'histoires. J'aime parler avec lui parce qu'il raconte beaucoup d'histoires. I love to speak with him because he, il raconte, he tell a lot of stories. I love to speak with him because he tells a lot of stories, and this is why I said, like, so far from the truth. I really don't like hopefully he's not watching, doesn't know about my YouTube channel. J'ai aussi un chat. J'ai aussi un chat. I also have a cat. J'ai aussi un chat. Il est très, très gentil. Il est très gentil. Il est très gentil. Il est très gentil. He is really kind. Il est très gentil. Il dort beaucoup et il aime jouer avec moi. Il dort beaucoup et il aime jouer avec moi. Il dort beaucoup et il aime jouer avec moi. So, he sleeps a lot and he loves to play with me. Voilà. Voilà. Voila is the there it is. There it is. Voilà, there it is. C'était ma présentation sur ma famille. C'était ma présentation sur ma famille. Why is that there? OK. C'était ma présentation sur ma famille. It was my presentation on my family. On my family. Merci. Merci. Thank you. Est-ce que vous avez des questions? Est-ce que vous avez des questions? Est-ce que vous avez des questions? Here you go. I think we're done. Woo! All right. Do you have any do you have some question? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? All right. So this was ma famille. I'll keep doing that every day. I think one story, one different subject. And I think that's going to help you a lot because as you see, it's pretty easy to just follow along. And now, flashcards, I'm going to export them and I'm going to create this class in the classroom. It's going to be here, classroom, and it's going to be the new level 1. Level 1 is going to become the pre-workout for Beaver. I got to find a Beaver team pre-workout thing. So there it is. Have a good day. You're the best. This is available at Quebec French, quebecfrench.ca. Peace.